excited to check out the next one though. This one is called Reason You. Now, maybe a romantic one on this. I don't know. But let's see what he's saying. Reason You, let's go. Different tempo, different atmosphere completely.
To say I no see anything in you. I no go reason you. I no go reason you. I no go reason you.
Wait. This is like a slow down Jersey club kind of record. It's like a slow down Santi. Yeah, this bounce that this Santi, is obviously influenced by the Jersey club wave that we're seeing right now. But this feels like they dialed the tempo all the way down. And it's kind of interesting. I've never heard this package this way. It's kind of interesting, bro. And it seems romantic too. But anyway, let's get the full gist. Let's get the full gist.
I don't laughing start to my friends say superstar boy like me. For one girl I just did for myself.
Hey, listen, his Fuji inflections are coming there low-key on this run here. You guys are hearing that? Is it just me? He has some low-key, like, a little passo that is, like, coming out of him. Anyway, interesting beat, bro. Interesting bounce. I didn't understand the production, the decision of slowing it down, but it still creates, like a, you know what I mean? Like a slow, intimate atmosphere, which is kind of cool. This is creative. I'm not gonna lie.
I love that dress and the best in me. My feelings.
You guys know what I was talking about. His pen, like it's very vivid. Like he doesn't really cut through the corners in terms of how to tell his story. This is another instance of that, bro. It's very, very straight to your face, very straight to your face, bro. But anyway, let's share the rest of it.
Anyway, you the movie be like say you get boyfriend. I say make I ask you.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie there. I don't think he's leaning a little bit. I can't even talk today. He's leaning a little bit into the story, a little bit too much for me, for my liking. Like, it's almost as if he's forgetting that he's singing a song that was supposed to, like, you know what this reminds me of? If AQ was a pop artist. You see what I mean, right? Like, if AQ was you get what I mean? I know when I listen to AQ, I mean early AQ. You know the point I'm trying to get at, you know what I mean? Like, it's leaning heavy on the story, it's leaning heavy on the, like, he's kind of lacking on the enjoyment factor a bit, to the point where he's almost flopping or having sloppy rhyme schemes. It happens, but it's just a little bit sloppy so far.
You with the shift in my heart on my head. Tell me what can I do to say I don't see anything in you. You see me best and you know gonna love it. This in them must be.
Okay, we're talking about harmonies earlier in the stream. And somebody brought up, because I was looking for artists that have great harmonies on their songs, right? And somebody brought up Rema, and I wasn't like, Rema is not known for his harmonies. Like, it's not like a Mayoko, it's not like a Peruzzi. That's really what they carry on their head, or like an Oxlade, that's what they carry on their head. But I can see the person making that argument in this case now because of this, the harmony lines here. This is not bad. It's not bad. But then again, bro, this song is a tough one to crack, man. It's a tough one to crack. Let's get through it. Bro, it's too many words, bro. Too many words, bro. Too story for me. Like, pace down sometimes. Like, I mean, like, even though it's
I no go reason you. You the heat in my process, so should I you with the shift in my heart and my mind.
Santi will be cold. Bring that kick back. I love that kick. Where's the kick? I love the kick. Bring it back. Please bring it back. No? Okay. Alex Lustig. Cool stuff, man. I'm not mad at this. I'm not completely mad at this. I would have loved for it to be less wordy and that'd been cool. But I really, really appreciate the attempt here, because it's taking something that is known to be a very, very fast-paced, very bouncy kind of vibe, but he has kind of slowed it down in order to give it some R&B-esque kind of feeling, which is kind of creative, not gonna lie. Like, it's very, very creative to pace down the beat. Who knew you could do that, you know? So yeah, that's thinking outside of the box, and I'll give him and the producer a lot of props for that. You know, like it's pretty cool. Now we're getting to the aspect of it's a love song, it's a love narrative. It's a romantic narrative rather, and it's like sometimes it can get to like he's trying to tell a story, but like again, like I said, a little too wordy, man. Like you can't even catch a break throughout the entire song. You can't catch a break. Like it's sometimes just let the beat breathe. Like sometimes it's nice to have those moments. On Holiday, he didn't even have. I won't say he had a strong pocket that he was letting the beat breathe to, but at least there were some moments where the chorus kind of like it allowed you to take a break. Kind of. I think the chorus was still slow enough and it was still stretched out enough for you to feel a break, as opposed to like the quick pace or the pacey words after words after lines after lines after lines, just throwing it back and forth. This song kind of had too much of that. It was kind of like, okay, bro, like, yeah, like you can kind of get lost in the story that he's trying to convey. Like sometimes you need to pace yourself, and I don't think it kind of lacks the pacing. And again, there were some awkward rhyme schemes here. Again, too strong on the story that he's like missing rhyme schemes, and it's like it sounds sloppy. It's not a perfect Rema record. It still has a little bit of him thinking outside of the box, and it still has that very strong kinetic inflections that he has been able to make for himself as a sound for himself. So yeah, it's a Rema record in true and true, you know, like yeah, it is what it is. But I definitely lean towards Holiday a lot more. Okay, out of this 2-pack, and I think this strategy of dropping 2 songs now is going to start being a thing. In terms of rolling out songs, like, I mean, it's not today that they started doing it, of course, but I think it'd be nice to see a lot of people use this way of making a very strong intention of, okay, I've dropped almost like an EP, like a 2-pack that gives you one song that is intended to be a hit. Clearly, the song here is Holiday, and the other one is meant to be like a sleeper kind of moment that your loyal fans will like, your core fans will appreciate. But I don't think the general mass, like public, would appreciate too much of Reason You. And I kind of liken that to Ruga with Asiwaju and Red Flags. Like that dynamic too was a little bit like, okay, Red Flags is definitely for his fans. Asiwaju is definitely leaning a lot more big. You know what I mean? And it'd be nice to see. So it'd be nice to see that for these 2 tracks. I see Holiday kind of picking up a lot more steam. He already has a lot more than Reason You. So yeah, I'm not too surprised by that, man. Holiday is a better record. I think it's a more refined record. I mean, better is subjective, of course, but I think no, actually, objectively speaking, Holiday is a better song. I actually would say that. It's not as sloppy, especially when it comes to his delivery, and it's still oddly better paced than this other song, Reason You.